Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting video. On store LEOSA sent me another wig. Be sure to check out my playlist. I'll leave it linked in cards. With the wig, you receive 2 wig caps, some dupe MAC eyelashes, and also some hairpins. I was so excited to try this wig and also nervous at the same time. This is a body wave V-part wig. It's 26 inches long. It's a brown ombre, super beautiful, super thick. Direct links will be listed below. This wig is extremely affordable, so be sure to check the website out. There's some, if this particular wig doesn't interest you, be sure to check their other wigs that they have on their website. They have some beautiful hair. I've done several reviews for this particular vendor, so be sure to check that out. Again, playlist will be listed in cards as well. But what I did was I had to go ahead and cut these strips out of the center to make it a complete V part. This wig came with a total of 5 clip combs to secure the wig. It also came with 3 combs. There was 2 on the side and 1 in the back, and then it came with your adjustable straps. There is the actual style number. I didn't know how this was going to turn out, guys. I really didn't. But I was very excited. The hair is super soft, and I love the thickness. The thickness really helped with the style of my hair. As you can see, I'm a natural head. They sent wig caps, but of course you don't do a wig cap. I like the way it was easy to put on. It felt very secure as I began to attach it down and place the clamps. What I did was I braided my hair down, and then I just kind of placed the clamps around where I had the part at, because I had decided to make a middle part. Beautiful body wave. This is a 26 inch. It is a beginner friendly wig. Check out those curls, super pretty, super thick. Now let's move into the fun part, getting my beautiful textured natural hair to blend in with this synthetic body wave hair was quite a feat for me. I standardly never put any form of heat in my hair, especially by myself, unless I'm doing like having a professional do a silk press or something like that. I never use actual heat on my natural hair, not even to blow dry. So what I did was I did have some basic curling irons, and I also used a heat protectant that I just wanted to put something over the hair, because like I mentioned, this is not something that I use. So this is the Oars Hair Coconut Oil and Babaya. I do have a product review on that. I'll leave that linked in cards where I reviewed the actual hair products on the natural hair. So my goal was to make the hair blend as best as I can, not realizing that my standard basic curling iron that I hadn't used in so long was not going to get my hair texture down to match the hair. So what I decided to do is, you'll see, is I just took the natural hair that was out, because the curling iron did nothing. I would have really needed a professional heat on the hair. I just took the hair and just kind of braided it down, and then I pushed it underneath the wig. So I put the combs over the braids, and that blended very, very pretty to me. I did after decide to go and just lay a little bit of baby hairs, but I thought it was an excellent job for it being my first time. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to rate, comment, share, and subscribe, and check out the links to my Poshmark closet that'll be listed below in the description box.